Hello everyone, it's editing time. Today we're adding backgrounds in Capcut. We'll explore two ways to add some amazing backgrounds to your videos, from static images to moving backdrops. So let's go. At first, open the Capcut app and start a project with some videos or photos. Now, to add background, simply swipe all the way to the right and choose background. Now pick your favorite color and resize the video to see the background. Now as you can see, the background is white now. Now if I choose another color, as you can see, the color of the background has been changed. Now once you choose your background color, simply click here, and now in case of image, choose the image option from here, and now you can browse through your device library or add from Capcut's provided library. For example, I'll choose this image as a background. And as you can see, the background has been changed instantly. To save the changes, click here. Let's move on to video magic. You might want to add a video as your background to stand out and show your creativity, right? To do so, add your background video first, and then tap on overlay, and again on add overlay. Now select your main video and click on add. Now resize and position it according to your preference. Now as you can see, we have a moving background. And bonus tip for you guys, in case you feel like your background is overpowering your video, tap on the background video and find opacity. Now use the slider to make it more transparent and creating a cool layered effect, and click here to save the changes. That's it. With these tricks, you can transform your Capcut edits in seconds. Play around with different options and have fun creating unique videos. Leave a comment below with your favorite background style and hit subscribe for more Capcut hacks. Thank you.